All right, welcome back everyone to the pressure system tutorial series. And so what we're going to talk about now are zones and movement. All right, so I'm going to put down two zones here, and we use zones instead of hexes or grids or those kind of things to denote what's happening. So we have zone 1 and we have zone 2. Now, what defines a zone? Whatever you want. As a GM, you can make these whatever you want. Maybe this is a tavern, and this is behind the bar, and this is the actual bar seating area. Maybe this is a road, and this designates the road, and this is a bridge. Whatever. It doesn't matter. It's however you define spaces. Now, what happens in regards to a zone? Well, there are a couple different distances you understand, right? So if you are both in the same zone, then you are considered to be close. All three of these are considered close to each other. If you are adjacent to a zone, right next to it, you are considered nearby. So this person is nearby all of them. They are all nearby this person. These people are all close. Okay, simple so far. If you are somewhere else that's not adjacent, you are far away. This is considered far away, right? The last thing is engaged. If you are touching, boop, then you are considered engaged. So those are our four distance denominations, right? We have engaged, which would be these two. We have close, which is these two to this one. They're all close. We have nearby, which would be this person to them. And then we have far, okay? Now, what happens if these zones are touching? Boop. Well, if these zones are touching, this is now signifying the same as if you were just on the outside of a zone, right? Where now you have these people who are nearby these people, and you have this person who's nearby these people, right? What happens if these zones are not close to each other? They're like this. They're technically far. Well, if I were moving, technically movement would be I'm going to go from this zone to the periphery of it, periphery of this zone to the periphery of this zone, and then here. Right? What happens if these two guys meet in the middle? Well, simple. Just grab another index card and just say, all right, now there's another zone here, and they're all nearby each other. Easy as that. So the zones are very fluid in nature, and it's really just a matter of determining if something is close, nearby, engaged, or far away. It's simple as that. All right. If you have any questions, throw it in the comment, and we'll go on to the next tutorial.